morning. Welcome to Karuna Vidyakshetra News. This is Aairah with you. Let us start with the headlines. Seven-year-old from Caution wins publishing deal after writing book about kindness. 10-year-old Parvati from Kerala enters record book thanks to her tabla skills. Arjun Elgaisi claims National Chess Champion crown, edges out Gukesh and India in tiebreaker. Kerala board in International Book of Records for photo mosaic. Thiruvananthapuram native carves baby Jesus on Dolo tablet, enters record books. Countdown begins for the big moment of laughter and smiles. 7-year-old Forbes McNallis from Caution has won a publishing deal after writing a book about kindness. Forbes McNallis' story is based on the kindness of the local community showed to her family when her mom was diagnosed with cancer during the pandemic. It won a writing competition as part of World Book Day, which was organized by children's author Helen Bryant. Forbes did all writing herself as well as drawing the illustrations for the book, which is being released by PN Publishing. Parvati Unnikrishnan earned a spot in the India Book of Records for playing the tabla for the longest duration. Parvati, who has been learning tabla since she was 7, played the tabla in different layers for 46 minutes and 36 seconds on January 19. Her ambition is to learn Hindustani music and practice music therapy to help terminally ill patients improve their mental health. With an amazing display of quality and consistency, Arjun Elgaisi 18 won the MPL National Chess title with 8.5 points. The second seed from Telangana never trailed in the 11th round contest and richly deserved the top prize of Rs 6 lakh. Abhinand Ravi S., a 17-year-old boy from Kozhikode, secured a place in the International Book of Records. Abhinand secured the world record for most self-captured pictures to make a digital photo mosaic. He captured 5,000 photographs of random objects, people, animals and landscapes with his camera and smartphone and arranged them in a particular sequence to make a digital mosaic art of a leaf. Thiruvananthapuram native Krishnalal Ellis recently won the India Book of Records and Asia Book of Records for carving the smallest statue of the infant Jesus on a tablet. The young artist is an art director and is also a skilled mural artist. Krishnalal engraved the statue of infant Jesus on a Dolo 650 tablet using magnifying lenses and needles. As Henry Ford said, coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. In a team, success is never defined as alone. It's defined with kinship of many small and big people and creating movements. And in Aairah, each movement matters. Aairah remembers this time, the cherished time when we started our journey, the strange time waiting for the result of the competitions, and the awaiting time with excitement and suspense. We truly believe some of these moments can only be captured with laughter and memories. The countdown to the sweet memories for the students of Karuna Vidyakshetra School has begun. So be ready because as the famous quote reads it, all the little moments that make life a big adventure. That's it for today. Stay tuned for more stories from the desk of Karuna. This is Aairah signing off. Thank you.